Jamaica watch
The truth is, youths, there's a better life out there to live. There's a much better life out there to live. You don't have to sit down on the corner and smoke and rub out your hand miggle every day. That's a thing of the past. It's a new generation now. Learn a skill. Learn how to trade. Do some streaming. Something. You understand me? I say get off the street and learn something. Start to contribute to society in a positive way. Start to make a positive contribution to your family. Take care and pity them. Youths, wise up at different time you know. And to the father them, me I telling you say you don't play a strong role in our children life. Because right now the youths them are go astray because them don't have the father. Only people you see are the mother them. If you go on school and PTA meeting, a peer woman, peer mother, where the father them there? Big up to the real father them, straight, every time. But me I beg you no man, wise up youth. Set an example to your children. Be the example that them need to see. Let them catch you in the act of greatness. Youths, wise up man, you don't have to dip on the corner and do things man. A new generation now man. Come on man.